Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your go-to destination for all things chic, sophisticated, and undeniably stylish. Today we are diving into the world of elegant and stylish office women outfits, where professionalism meets fashion, forward flair, and confidence take center stage. Join us as we explore a stunning collection of office-appropriate attire that's perfect for making a statement in the workplace while exuding poise and sophistication. From tailored suits to chic dresses, we will showcase a variety of options to suit every taste and empower women to conquer the corporate world in style. So sit back, relax, and let's elevate your office wardrobe to new heights with our selection of elegant and stylish office women outfits. Office women outfits are all about striking the perfect balance between professionalism and fashion, and in today's video, we will show you how to do just that. Whether you are working in a traditional corporate environment or a more creative industry, it's essential to dress the part while still expressing your personal style. We will showcase a range of office appropriate attire from classic blazers and pencil skirts to modern jumpsuits and statement dresses, each designed to help you look and feel your best while commanding respect in the workplace. We will show you how to choose the right pieces to flatter your figure and complement your style, as well as how to incorporate trends and accessories to add a touch of personality to your office look. Get ready to step into the boardroom with confidence and style, as well as unveil a selection of elegant and stylish office women outfits that are sure to make a lasting impression. In addition to looking polished and professional, office women outfits should also be comfortable and practical for a day at work. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of choosing fabrics that are breathable and easy to move in, as well as selecting pieces with a tailored fit that flatters your body without sacrificing comfort. We will showcase versatile wardrobe staples that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks, allowing you to express your personal style while adhering to office dress codes. Whether you prefer a classic monochromatic ensemble or a bold and colorful statement look, we will help you build a wardrobe that's both stylish and functional for the demands of the workplace. Get ready to elevate your office attire with our selection of elegant and stylish office women outfits that will take you from the boardroom to happy hour with effortless grace. But office women outfits are not just about looking good, they are also about feeling confident and empowered in the workplace. In today's video, we will discuss the psychological impact of dressing well and how it can boost your confidence and performance on the job. Studies have shown that when we dress professionally, we all not only look the part but also feel more competent and capable, leading to increased productivity and success. We will explore how the right outfit can help you command attention, project authority, and make a positive impression on colleagues and clients alike. Whether you are giving a presentation, leading a meeting, or networking with industry professionals, dressing in elegant and stylish office women outfits can give you the confidence you need to excel in your career. Get ready to take your professional image to the next level with our curated selection of office attire that's designed to empower women to succeed in the workplace. In today's fast-paced world, versatility is the key when it comes to office women outfits. That's why we will showcase pieces that seamlessly transition from day to night, allowing you to go from the office to after work events with ease and style. We will discuss how to accessorize your outfit to add a touch of glamour for evening affairs, whether it's a bold statement necklace, a chic clutch bag, or a pair of statement heels. We will also explore different styling techniques to create a polished and put together look that's suitable for both professional and social settings. Whether you are attending a networking event, a client dinner, or a corporate cocktail party, our selection of elegant and stylish office women outfits has you covered for every occasion. Get ready to make a lasting impression both in the out of the office with our versatile and chic wardrobe essentials that will take you from day to night with effortless sophistication. At Luna and Fashion and Beauty, we believe that every woman deserves to feel and look her best, especially in the workplace. That's why we are dedicated to providing you with the latest trends, styling tips and outfit inspiration to help you dress with confidence and flair. Thank you for joining us on this stylish journey. And remember, with the right office woman outfits, you can conquer the corporate world in style. You can be very stylish while remaining in your office and feel confidence. And we are here for giving you styling tips and outfit inspiration so you can dress with confidence and flair. Until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous, and always remember confidence is the key. So always dress to impress. Bye for now.